Welcome to the DJ Mixtape. My name's Dan Hayes and I'm going to show you how to program a professional industry standard DJ mix on Ableton Live. We're going to cover everything from preparing your music to programming your mixes to mastering your final version. You might be a DJ who wants to get a gig at a club or a show on a radio station, or you may want a DJ mix to host online as your professional calling card. We're going to show you how to do that regardless of the style of music you play. And in fact, we're going to be using examples of music from different genres to show you that the techniques you learn can be used right across the board. So if you're into hip hop, house, techno, drum and bass, pop music, or a mix of everything, I'm going to show you how to put together a killer mixtape on Ableton Live. And don't worry if you're new to Ableton Live, I'm going to take you through the process step by step, and you'll be surprised at how much you can achieve with just some basic programming techniques. In 2003, I graduated from the University of Westminster with a degree in commercial music, and I now run a company called Soundtrack Your Event, which provides music mixes to some of the world's leading companies, brands, and experiential events. And as a special gift to you guys for taking this course, I'm going to include a case study in the bonus material where I take you step by step through the process of producing a professional mixtape for a real world client where I charge them over $1,000. The bonus material for this course also includes an ebook guide to the course and my own book on mixtape culture. The course includes everything I've learned from over 20 years of DJing and putting mixtapes together, and I hope it helps you along on your DJ journey. I look forward to seeing you on the course.